Hey guys, how are you? I am so tired, but my friend Oyin gave me a bit of inspiration and gave me an idea to film how I have this African headscarf. So let me take it off. And literally this is how my hair looks underneath my headscarf. So what I basically have is I have a silk scarf on to protect my hair because I don't want any rubbing or any tugging or anything like that. So I have a really thin silk scarf headscarf on, and this is basically the material. So you can see this is the material, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this, and I'm going to get this end, and I'm going to get this end, and then I'm going to fold it together like this. So can you see there's some kind of like triangle thing going on? It's like a triangle. I hope you can see it properly. Yeah, and then what I'm going to do is the long part of the triangle shape I am literally going to put it over my head like this. And then what I do is I've got this end and I've got this end, and I'm going to tie it together like this. Can you see? And then to get like extra grip, can you see this part's out? I'm going to tie this again, and then I just literally just tuck that in, and then I get this part and I literally, can you see, just literally fold it in, and it naturally just folds in, and voila, you can see that is how I tie my headscarf. So I hope that's helped somebody. But yeah, literally this hairstyle, this hairstyle, it, you know, oh my gosh, it is a lifesaver. Like if I'm having a bad hair day, or I just need to put something on, or like I can't bother with my hair, I literally just tie this and it just works. So that is how I tie my African head wrap. But yeah, until next time guys, make sure you like, subscribe, support, and yeah, help a sister out.